Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 5 best foods with no carbs. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of incredibly useful knowledge. Carbohydrates or carbs are one of the 3 main food types that the body needs to work properly. They give the body energy. If the body does not need to use the carbs for energy as soon as a person eats them, it stores them to use later. However, if the body does not use these stored carbs, the body converts them to fat. Eating fewer carbs can have impressive health benefits and help you lose weight. Let's take a look at the top 5 lowest carbs foods that almost contain 0 carbohydrates. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs contain almost 0 carbohydrates but provide plenty of nutrients including vitamins A, D, E and B, calcium, iron, phosphorus and zinc. Egg yolks contain choline, which is essential for brain development, muscle movement and energy. Also, eggs are one of the most affordable sources of quality protein. Number 4. Fish. Fish including salmon and sardine are free of carbohydrates. Fish is also a great source of fats and protein. Salmon and sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids that lower the risk of heart disease, Alzheimer's disease and cancer. Number 3. Meat. Meat including beef, lamb, pork, veal and chicken is also carb-free. Beef is full of iron and vitamin B12, which helps make DNA and keeps nerves and red blood cells healthy. Number 2. Cheese. Cheese is one of the tastiest low-carb foods. It can be eaten both raw and as an ingredient. Hard cheeses like Munster, Gouda and Cheddar are generally no more than 1 or 2% carbohydrate. Number 1. Butter. Butter is a dairy product containing a large amount of edible fat. It is a great source of vitamins A, D and E. Butter is approximately 80% fat and 20% water. It does not contain any carbohydrates or proteins. All of these foods are super healthy and contain almost 0 carbs. Are you going to include them in your diet? Or maybe you included them before? Share a comment. A no-carb diet is an extreme version of low-carb dieting. Studies show that decreasing your carb intake can help you lose weight and may have health benefits. The diet isn't for everyone. People should consult with their general practitioner before making significant dietary changes. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos and stay motivated every single day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.